Hi, good day. Today we're unboxing a new model of the AudioCast Pro. So here's a package. AudioCast Pro wireless multi-room sound streamer. M20, Spotify connected directly. Cast audio easily. Cast your favorite audio from your phone to speakers wirelessly. This is the front side, AudioCast Pro. This is side. So it supports stream same or different music to all speakers. This logo different. Stream, AirPlay. It supports AirPlay 1, not AirPlay 2. So also optical, aux in, and Internet Cable. Support Wi-Fi or Bluetooth music to all speakers, and also with a remote control. EQ sound setting. The side. AudioCast Pro can connect to a local area network via Wi-Fi or Internet, converting existing amplifier and speakers into wireless audio systems. Through UPnP services, you can stream music from online services, mobile devices, or PCs, and NAS. Here, works with Cables, Spotify, Tidal, and the Internet Radio. You can get the AudioCast app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This is the back side. Okay, let us open it. This is the main body. AudioCast. At the back side, it supports the Internet Cable. It is optical. It's 9 aux in. It's connected to your speakers. It's 9 out. Here is a power jack. This one is a reset button. Okay, let's open the accessories. This is a user menu. This is aux cable, aux in cable. You can connect this to your speakers, so the music will come out to your speakers. So aux out. This is a power cable, a USB power cable. It's USB side. This is connect to your connect to the AudioCast. This is a power plug. So different countries will be delivered with different plugs. This is also another aux out cable. So this one connected with this AudioCast Pro, and this one connected with your speakers, left side, right side. This one is a remote control, so you can easily operate it with the power button setups, mute, line, optical in, volume up, volume down. Next one, right one, pause, stop, and also the shortcut buttons. So this is a upgraded version of the old model M5. The M5, it has no Bluetooth, no Internet Cable, but this one is with supporting Internet and supporting Bluetooth, and also comes with a remote control. Thank you. Hi, we'll set a new model of the AudioCast Pro. Compared with this one, the M5, this one has much more functions. It has an internet connector and optical output, and also most important, it has the remote control. Okay, let's power it on. It's connected with a speaker, with a stereo cable, and power on. Okay, power it on. This model supports the 2.4 giga Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth. First, you need to set up your your mobile phone into 2.4 giga Wi-Fi network. Let's go to. Oh yeah, it is 2.4. Let's go to. Open the AudioCast. Now it's searching a device. Since this one has no WS button, forget it. Okay, next. Now it found a new AudioCast. Set up this device. Now it's connecting. It will take about 1 minute. You can see the indication. Please wait while the connection is completed. This might take a minute. We'll have to wait. Okay, it's connected. Next, it's checking it has the latest software or not. Latest firmware. It may take 20 seconds. It's checking. Okay, now it is connected. Say select or enter the custom for your device. So forget it. Next one. Now it is connected by Bluetooth. We can here go to the bottom. Okay, you can choose a source from Wi-Fi or from Bluetooth. So we choose from Wi-Fi. Yeah. Okay. Information. Let's go. We can open one station. Let's say BBC Radio. BBC Radio 4. Let's play it. Now it's playing.
Why would I know?
Why do you know?
Yeah.
Well, whatever.
Okay. We can
she tried.
make this
Explore
preset.
a bit, I guess.
Okay. We
Messed
check
it right
set
up,
it
because I hate
into
it.
1. So
Preset
now
saved.
is
But she
preset
gave me
1
her
BBC
time.
Radio 4
It meant
extra.
the world.
Later you can
So,
use your remote
let's
control
go.
to choose BBC Radio
Whatever you
4
do,
you already
It
set
meant
up.
the world to him.
Let's go back.
For Christ's sake. Don't know.
Uh,
Why didn't you tell me that? Making me argue with you in the car.
You
let's go
never-
to another one. Spotify.
Dano, I do get what you do.
For
in
Spotify,
here,
you need to
and
have
I
your
think it's
Premier
amazing.
account.
And I see that.
Open
I see that
Spotify.
you've got a lot to explore, a lot of you to explore,
Yeah,
but
we can choose Thomas.
I lie next to you every night.
Yeah,
And I
continue
want
on
you
your
to wonder
speaker.
who's in
40%,
here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
Come on, let's
Now it's connecting.
Well,
get your coat.
Later
It's
you
time.
will play. Now, right? Yeah. Play it.
Thomas,
Yeah.
slow down.
Pause.
My couplings are cluttering.
So Thomas began to slow down until he...
We can go back here. Now see, you can see. Just now we opened the Spotify app. Now we go back to AudioCast app. We can set here button preset. You can set into number 2. Okay, just now we already set the BBC Radio 4 number 1. We press 1.
Give over and sing
Now
the
is
song,
playing
please.
the BBC
Okay.
Radio.
If you insist.
Okay, now
I
we
do.
play number 2,
You know,
button
I
2.
was worried then. You weren't going to.
You are
hardly moving at all.
Yes. Okay, pause it. It's very convenient when you have finished your setting. You can use the remote to play, to pause, to choose a station that you like. It is no need for you to bring the to have the mobile phone in your hands. So you can preset 6 stations. Thank you.